Time to eat healthy.
Nice.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content.